trust you are safe and well. I am Shivanshu Sharma, a junior undergraduate in electrical engineering. Throughout my stay here at IIT Gandhinagar so far, I've held multiple leadership roles, being the Secretary of Media and PR Cell, core member of Winter Carnation 6.0, and even coordinator at Amartya and Blitzcrank. Taking my contribution forward, I wish to further cater to the needs of student community, which is why I am contesting for the post of Welfare Secretary. I, along with a dedicated team, aim to work for the welfare of students, considering it as my first and foremost priority. If elected for the position, I sincerely look forward to accomplish the following objectives. Regarding the campus infrastructure, I strongly wish to introduce a cycle pooling system within the institute, considering our large campus area, to ease the mobility through an anywhere pick and drop bike system. Students struggle to get the laundry services as per their personal convenience. Hence, I aim to get at least 2 washing machines installed in every hostel. Even the lack of consistent internet connection is a major issue in select hostels. So, I also aim to get network boosters and efficient routers with higher bandwidth installed for better connectivity. I also propose to come up with more student-centric initiatives like the availability of recreational spaces in the academic area and student designed thematic common rooms in the common rooms and hostel premises. Coming to the amendments, I believe that are in favor of you all. I wish to introduce a position of hostel coordinators in order to ensure that the student welfare related concerns are addressed at the earliest. Additionally, emotional well-being of students is also an area I intend to focus on through frequent meditation, Zumba, and yoga sessions. I'm also willing to seek help from the counseling services team for ensuring the same during these challenging times. Taking into account the unfortunate circumstances led by the coronavirus, I strongly wish to come up with an initiative Conquer COVID. This includes formation of COVID task force that remains fully functional till the tough time persists. It will consist of a dedicated student team whose topmost priority will be to ensure students' safety through frequent sanitization of washrooms and pantry areas. With that being said, through this initiative, we also look forward to collaborate with the mess caterers to include boosting edibles in the regular menu. If possible, we wish to translate into action the popular suggestion of provision of mess food in the hostels itself for the time being. In addition, within the central arcade premises, I plan to incorporate exclusively dedicated non-veg food outlets and a permanent cafeteria. Select accompanying shops will also be established to facilitate the local rural businesswomen and various student groups interested in commercializing their own merchandise through a strong collaboration with the NEEV and EII. So these were the key highlights of the initiatives and amendments I sincerely look forward to attain for the welfare of you all with your kind support. Thank you so much.